Let go of dependency syndrome and be the leader of your life. Life leadership movement is beyond boundaries, cultures, hierarchy, designation, caste, culture, age. It's beyond everything. This is how I had envisioned it. And thank you all so much for making this a reality. Thank you all for your support. So today I'm sharing the third tool to stop postponing the leadership of your life. The tool is let go of dependency syndrome. So what do I mean by dependency syndrome? So many times what happens is we keep on postponing the leadership of our life because we depend a lot on others. Sometimes for taking decisions, sometimes for actions, sometimes for their behavior, sometimes for money, sometimes for this, sometimes for that. Be proactive and don't depend too much on others. Even if there is something that you want to do involves other people, you take the ownership, you take the responsibility of making it happen, of getting it done. If there are challenges, go talk to people, understand where is the problem. Always be on the forefront of solving things. Figure out a way and get it done. So in total, I have shared 3 tools to help you to stop postponing leadership of your life. Number 1, create a zero blame zone around you. 2, get out of someday syndrome. 3, let go of dependency syndrome. Do let me know which all tools are you using and how are they helping you. This is Life Leadership Movement. I'm Garima Arora Kannan, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of